Today I was in Paris to go to the GTC conference as an invitation from the NVIDIA team, and Jensen's keynote really blew everybody away. He made a really clear point that NVIDIA is working with everybody, with every cloud infrastructure, every EOM, and he really made sure that NVIDIA is here for everybody, not just for the select few. Even for startups, they have an incredible startups program. And the thing that I really loved as well is that he made a really clear point about explaining why are we in the fourth economic revolution, as outlined by the World Economic Forum. And he went back in history to the key developments in, steam engine, machinery, coal, and how that empowered the world with electricity, and then all the other great things that came after it as well. So this is something that's overlooked. I think a lot of CEOs of tech companies, they don't take time to explain all of this. And Jensen is trying to democratize access to AI, both in information, but also in the tooling sets as well. So he's basically building the modern brain of AI. And he's doing that with great companies like Mercedes, BMW, etc. So there was a lot of demonstrations of real world use cases, which I think is really key at this point in time. There's a lot of noise about AI not having an impact, but that's really for the select few who really don't understand how to use it properly and how to deploy it and scale it properly, which is a shame, but it does still happen, unfortunately. The other thing that I really loved as well is Jensen going to particular detail of how it's going to be, AI is going to be the thing that really helps fission because of the way that plasma works. So he really took some time to explain that as well. And he also took some time to explain and give some new announcements about an amazing type of, first industrialized AI cloud that NVIDIA is rolling out. Also, the fact that they're going to be concentrating a lot on autonomous vehicles, rolling out a lot of these new chips that came out, which are super powerful as well. And the fact that they did a really great collaboration with Llama in order to develop some really powerful models, the most powerful model in the world as described by him today, but I have to test it out myself to be sure. The other great thing as well is, the fact that there was the world's top people in AI there discussing some of the key challenges, key problems. And the other great thing that was presented too is all of the new robots that NVIDIA is empowering around the world for all the different humanoid companies. And I was astonished to see, an incredible growth there. Last time Jensen spoke about this, it was a select few companies, and that seems to be expanding exponentially as more and more companies are getting funding in the space. And really to top it off, the cherry on the cake, I was invited to a private event